To provide you with a comprehensive understanding of customer discovery, the structured process of identifying, engaging, and learning from potential customers in order to validate business ideas, refine assumptions, and improve solutions before a product is fully developed or launched. Understanding customer discovery. Customer discovery is the initial phase in the customer development process. It focuses on determining whether your product or service truly addresses a real customer need, how customers behave in the market, and whether they would pay for your solution. Customer discovery isn't about selling. It's about listening, observing, learning, and validating your assumptions. You're not pitching your idea, you're uncovering truths. At its core, customer discovery is like being a detective, gathering insights, identifying patterns, debunking assumptions, and revealing what customers truly want, not what you hope they want. Why customer discovery is essential. 1. Reduces business risk. Many startups fail because they build products that nobody wants. Talking to real customers prevents building in isolation. 2. Clarifies your target market. It helps narrow down the specific demographic, psychographic, or behavioral groups that are most likely to benefit from your product. 3. Shapes your value proposition. By understanding what customers really care about, you can better articulate the benefit your product brings. 4. Uncovers hidden problems and needs. Some pain points are not obvious. Only through deep conversations and observations can you uncover them. 5. Guides. Product design. What features matter? What should be prioritized? Discovery gives data to drive design choices. 6. Validates your business model. Will customers pay? Are they already solving this problem? How are they solving it now? Key techniques in customer discovery. 1. Customer interviews. Most common and effective. Conduct 20 to 100 interviews before building anything. Ask open-ended questions, not yes, no. Don't ask, would you buy this? Ask, how do you currently solve this problem? Focus on past behavior, not future intent. Examples of good interview questions. Tell me about the last time you faced this issue. What did you do to solve it? How much time, money did you spend? What frustrates you the most about that process? 2nd, surveys and questionnaires. Useful for quantitative validation after qualitative interviews. Helps to identify trends, measure interest, and segment audiences. Tools, Google Forms, Typeform, SurveyMonkey. Survey tips. Keep it short, 10 to 15 questions max. Use a mix of multiple choice and open text. Start with demographics to segment responses. Always end with, would you like to be contacted for follow-up? 3rd field observation / shadowing. Watch your target customer perform the activity you're aiming to solve. Example, if you're building a tool for tailors, visit a workshop and watch how they work. Take notes on behavior, pain points, workarounds, tools used, etc. Observe without interfering. What people do is often different from what they say. 4th, customer journey mapping. Helps visualize a customer's experience across different touch points. Helps identify gaps, friction, and emotional highs, lows. Break down the process into awareness, consideration, decision, use. Post-purchase 5, landing pages, smoke tests. Create a simple web page describing your offer. Drive traffic to it via ads or posts. Measure signups, click-throughs, and expressions of interest. It's a test of intent to engage, not full adoption. 6th, prototype testing. Build a quick fake version of your solution, e.g., a mock-up, a video, or even a conversation. Goal, measure interest before investment. Example, a food delivery startup might simulate a working app manually, using WhatsApp to receive orders and riders to deliver. 7. Social listening and forums. Use platforms like Quora, Reddit, Twitter, Nairaland, or niche groups on Facebook, Telegram. Look for frequently asked questions, complaints about existing products, requests for recommendations, trending issues or frustrations. Mindsets and habits for effective discovery. 1. Be curious, not defensive. You're here to learn, not prove you're right. Drop your ego. 2. Document everything. Keep structured notes from every conversation. Use Excel, Notion, or a CRM. 3. Search for patterns. When you hear the same pain point 7+ times, pay attention. That's gold. 4. Follow up. Revisit early interviewees later in the process. Keep building the relationship. 5. Don't sell, learn. Avoid turning discovery calls into sales pitches. Just listen and ask questions. Common mistakes to avoid. Interviewing friends, family who will support you with kind lies. Asking biased questions. Don't you think this is a great idea? Leading the conversation toward your solution. Building before validating. Misinterpreting compliments as commitment. Ignoring negative feedback. Practical examples of customer discovery in action. Example 1: A Nigerian fashion entrepreneur wants to create a fashion school for undergraduates. Instead of launching immediately, she interviews 50 students across 3 campuses. Discovers their biggest hurdle is lack of time, not lack of interest. Learns that a weekend-only hybrid program with live demos would be more successful. Example 2. An app idea to help parents track their children's school activities. Customer discovery reveals a period. Most parents want updates via WhatsApp, not a new app. They value teacher feedback more than daily activity logs. So the solution shifts from a new app to an automated WhatsApp broadcast tool used by schools. Summary of key takeaways. 1. Customer discovery is the process of validating your assumptions with real user feedback. 2. Use interviews, surveys, observation, and landing pages to gather insights. 3. Avoid selling, focus on learning. 4th. Track and analyze feedback for patterns. 5. Let customer discovery shape your product, not the other way around.